Hi, my name is Raphael David, and I am your 2019-2020 PASA Cultural Chair, and today we'll be making turon. These sweet treats were said to be developed by communities that live near root crop fields and banana trees. The surplus from harvest would be given to neighbors and eventually sold by the roadside.
The things you will need for this recipe are a banana, or saging, brown sugar, jackfruit, or langka, lumpia wrappers, and finally, vegetable oil. In order to prepare for this recipe, we have to cut our banana into fourths. Be careful not to drop it. You can either use a kitchen knife or a clean pair of scissors like I did. Once you have sliced your bananas, pour some brown sugar into a bowl. Put enough so that you are able to roll your bananas in them without having too much sugar. Today we have brought in our resident folding expert, Nicole. Place the banana in the wrapper with the jackfruit, then tuck the right and the left over each other and roll from the bottom. Make sure your wrapper is wet at the top in order to close the seal. Repeat this process until you have the desired amount of turon you want to create. Next, heat in a pan full of hot oil until these turon are golden brown.
Alright, time to bring these bad boys to PASA.